How's it going, guys? So finally it's a beautiful day here. It's Saturday. We're gonna finally take the car to get the floor pans done. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the car out, make sure everything's loaded. We got the floor pans loaded in the daily, so let's get it there and let's get started. Woo! There she is. Let it run for a second. Hey. To Adams at OMFS. This boy's checking it out. This boy's checking it out, and he might be getting a little scared, but I think he can handle it. I think he can handle it.
Dabba dabba yabba yabba. Shorty says she tripping. Shorty wanna kick it.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I'm there.
Alright, so a little update. We got a couple pieces out of the passenger side. We're gonna go ahead and leave one section just because it's pretty solid. So this little section here is pretty good. We're gonna be able to use it as a seam to get the new floor pans in. It's looking pretty smooth. Hopefully it keeps going smooth.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Still Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, fuck everybody, just do your thing. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation.
Welding around the perimeter and getting there slowly but surely. Just gotta move around so you don't warp the metal, but yeah, I'd say we're probably, I'll say 75% there. Looking pretty minty. Fire. Come on, bro. Quick update, about 98% donezo. Looking good. So here's a look at how we finished off. We left that section there. There's some surface rust right there, which is not a big deal. Gonna go ahead and clean that up, apply some rust prevention, clean these welds up a little bit, grind down, and then hit it with some seam sealer. So I'm gonna go ahead and jack up the car a little bit and get to it. And cleaned up this panel that we kept on there, and as you can tell, it's super solid. There's some light, you know, surface rust on here, but that's not bad at all. We're gonna go ahead and prep that, put some rust prevention on that so it won't get any worse. But overall, this side is looking super good. I'm gonna jack up the car, hit it from the bottom, and then go ahead and yeah, start putting some seam sealer all around those new edges. Stuff I got right here. Here goes some black seam sealer, some prep, and some matte black rust prevention stuff. So this is stuff from Eastwood. I was gonna get POR 15, but They recommended this one since if you mess up the prep for port 15, it kind of goes sideways. So, and then some sponge kind of brushes. So there's a seam sealer on all the edges of the new welds. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing to the bottom. And then yeah, that about wraps up these floor pans on this side. So got the car jacked up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and hit what I can at the bottom. Do the same thing, clean it up a little bit. Hit it with some seam sealer all the way around. Alright guys, so I got the bottom seam sealed. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up for today because it's getting pretty late. On the next episode, we're gonna go ahead and knock out the driver's side and do the same routine with that. We're gonna be one step closer to reinstalling the carpet, reinstalling the seats, and yeah, getting this thing basically complete. So I'm either thinking about selling it on Bring a Trailer or selling it via NFT. If you guys know what an NFT is, basically cryptocurrency digital image, and whoever wins that in an auction will gain ownership of the car and get the title and everything. So pretty sweet. I don't think it's been done before, so if you guys know about NFTs, digital images, hit me up. Maybe we can collab and, you know, get something going. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, stay tuned for the next episode. Stay tuned on the Red 911. I got some stuff coming for that as well. As always, be blessed and be superish.